Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for on-demand PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the folder and then click the readme text. Copy the localhost PHP MyAdmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel and then start the Apache and MySQL. And then click the MySQL admin, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database tables. And then open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder, here you can see the delivery files. Click the JS, here you can see the AngularJS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text, copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have three roles, user, admin and servicer. Let's start with the servicer. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the register now button. And then enter all the field and then click the sign up button, it will be registered. So enter the email ID and password, then click the login button. So login successful. Here we have several models. Okay, let's start with the create service. Click the create service. Here you can enter all the fields for creating a service. Enter the name, price, category and then description and then enter the city, address, pin code and then enter the mobile. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be submitted. Whatever has been created, you can view the update service. Here you can see the services. And then click the geo map, location updated successfully. And then click the show map, it will promote you to the Google map. Here you can view the updated location. And then click the update map. Here you can update the location. Drag and drop the red label. It will be updated. And then click the update geo, it will capture the latitude and longitude of the Google map. And then if you want to update anything, you can do it here. Click the update button. Here you can update the field. And then click the image, here you can upload the image. And then click the service request. Here you can search the services. And then click the update status. Here you can update the status, whether it is pending, accept or rejected. and then click the show map. Here you can view the location. And then click view feedback. Here you can search the feedback. And then click my profile. Here you can view your details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Let's move to the admin. Enter the admin email ID and then click the login button. So login successful. Here we have two models. Admin can approve the service. Click the approve service. Here you can view the business details and then click the update status. You can update the status whether it is pending, approval or rejected. And then click the user details. Here you can view the user details. Move to the user. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the register button. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the username, email ID and password. Enter the 10-digit mobile number. And then enter the address. And then enter the city. Once you do that, click the sign up button. So the password must be in 8-digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and then numbers. So register successfully. Here we have 3 models. Click the search service. Here you can see the services. And if you want to give any request, click the request. Here you can enter your request and then update your location. And then click the show map. It will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the location. If you want to give any feedback, click the feedback. Here you can enter the name and then enter your feedback. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be posted. And then click my request. Here you can view your request. And then click show now button. Here you can see the map. And then click my profile. Here you can see your profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a on-demand PHP web application.
Code shopping.